Good morning, guys. Guys, it's a beautiful Thursday morning. I am starting this vlog here. Yes. Good morning. Guys, how are you people doing? It's a beautiful new day to be grateful. So I'm starting. Today is Thursday, guys, and I'm starting work today for the week. I've been off. Let's brush. I look fresh. I don't know. I'm energized this morning. So my baby boy is here with me. My baby is here, so here you go. I will be cleaning his mouth. Clean him out. Good job. Baby. Say hi, mommy. Say good morning. Say good morning. So guys, in this vlog, I will be showing you guys African's foodstuffs that we got. So guys, I told you guys before that we don't have African store in my community, so we have one Asian store in another community. Alright, that's like 45 minutes drive from my place. So we do go there, but they don't have core African foodstuffs like vegetables. All these are vegetables, ogo, oha, and all these things. Alright. So sometimes we order online from Wosiwosi. Ordered on Tuesday. Yeah, today is Thursday. They have sent me a message that my order will get to us today. So we are waiting for the order, and I can't wait to show you guys all we have got and the prices so that you rate it and know if it is worth it. It's what our life is in the UK, in our community. And I wanted to film a video of how much we spent every month as a family of 4 living in this part of England, the most costly part of England. All right. So if you would like to see that video, do comment in the comment section, and I'm going to do that. Say good morning. Baby, say good morning. See his face. So guys, I will catch up with you guys later. Guys, see, my kitchen is in a mess. So I will be doing some cleanings while we wait for the boss to come, and then I will go ahead and make breakfast for my boys. All right. So this morning they will be having some oats, banana and apples. I used to blend everything together. They are still kids, so they can't chew much. So that's it. I'll make their breakfast, tidy up my house while we are waiting for our African food stuff to arrive. All right. You guys, you know, I'm starting my work today. It's Thursday, so I've changed my timing. So I now work Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All right. Before I work Thursday, Saturday, Sunday, but currently I now do Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So I do my 3 shifts together, and my off starts on Sunday till Wednesday. That's my 4 days off. All right. So besties, let's go get it. That's the oats. I have the oats and the apples is cooking. Kids are in the garden already playing. This is what my garden looks like. They love to be here. Like once I open the door, they have rushed out. Papa. Our order is here. Oh, $3? Oh my God.
Parade, haven't you?
Yeah.
You
This is
used to be at the
huge.
parade, didn't you?
Yeah. Do I need to sign?
No, it's fine.
Oh,
Thank you.
thank you. Bye. This is huge. It's our wasi, our Nigerian food stuff is here. This is huge. Okay, let the unboxing begin. We have a lot of perishables in here, so I need to unbox it immediately. I'm so happy. I will be telling you guys the full cost of everything in this box in this video. So let's see. It's opening the first box. Let's fufu akpụ mmeri gịnị bụ nke okay ka afọ ime na Indomie, the first carton. We have the second carton of Indomie. So we got 2 Indomies. Then we have honey beans, 4 kg each. Honey beans, each is 4 kg. We got two packs. So that's it for this basket. So guys, we are opening the other basket. So here is the ones we have opened. Okay, this is the Oziza. This is the Oziza. So we got 2 Oziza. The Oziza is 2. This is Ogo. Na go see her from. One ka ọ dị. The Ogo. One ka ọ dị isi ada one. One ka ọ dị. Nke ofu. Okay. I go me ito. So guys, this is still the Ogo. I bought 3 Ogo. Yeah. O buchakwara ibu. 3 Ogo for the okra soup. Yeah. Ofu mkpụrụ ji ka ndị. Guess ka ihe m ji na-abụ. Ụgwọ ofu ka m kwụkwara. Okay now. Maybe ewe ya by kg. Ofu elu ho dị 1 kg, yeah. Because maybe ofu elu 1 kg. So guys, this too is 1 kg of yam. I just bought 1 kilo. And we are having 2 yams. Wow. Yam and egg sauce is loading. Oh dear, no. I put a 1/2 kilo turkey, loaf go half carton turkey. So four pullers with turkey and go. Let's even catch fish in whippy. So guys, this one is the turkey. But need take a half. What's the turkey in here? They are cut it. So guys, this is turkey, 5 kilo of turkey. This is the beef. This is beef. Oh yeah, beef. Turkey. We bought 5 kg of turkey. That's it. So let's see what is in the other box. This is the fish. Shake. Pomo. cow leg or shaki. This is the shaki. Don't know which is which. Chicken gizzard. So that's all for that one. Guys, here we go. The next box. This is 2 liters of palm oil. Open. What's this? So this is the golden one. Okay, this is apple, the processed banga, palm fruit process. No, which we got ube. Yay! Ube. Alright. This is a portion of the ube. It's costly. A portion is £2.50. It's costly. Imagine. I got 3 portions. So guys, take a look. This thing is £7.50 like this. So there is Cerelac for the kids. We got 2 packs of Cerelac for the boys. And wheat Cerelac. Okay, for pepper soup. We'll do yak. We'll do yak. Yeah. This is what's Gary. Yellow Gary. £9. 4K. So guys, hubby is arranging them. Okay. Mama, y'all will I offer my hand now. Hey. And they put on the highways issue. Oh, I did not tell you. Why go ahead? I'm not other. So guys, that is the red oil. Then we have the meat and meatables. So we got enough okra. Yeah. That's the yam. I got some bread. So that's the okra. We have a carton of okra. So we use some for soup. That's the attachments for my hair. I'll be making my hair, you guys. Yeah, my friend will be helping me braid my hair. So that's the attachment. Okay, I got a shower cap. So these are the meat and meatables. These are the vegetables. The oha is not oharing again. No. I'm so disappointed with them in this oha. It's no longer oharing. Then the ugu is still fresh. Fufu. Guys, I got fufu. 300 pounds. So I will put the prices on them when I start the editing. Thank you guys for watching.